give them a bit of a lead as they head into the final minute and a half of quarterfinal match number 1. Red Alliance also gets their third rotor going. They now have just over 15 points of advantage here coming down to our final minute. Red Alliance has 22 kilopascals of fuel all built up. Blue Alliance with 6, 3 rotors turning on both sides of the field. Genesis from Ponage dropping off another gear. Their alliance partners Fondi Fire also doing the same. A collision between Frog Force and Test Team and Ponage now underneath the Blue Alliance airship as both teams work on that fourth rotor. That fourth rotor will add 140 points to the team's scores here, so the fourth rotor will be vital here in our playoff matches. Ponage completely full of fuel. Looks like they might be trying for those 40 kilopascals here with 20 points if they can do it. Red Alliance will get their third rotor turning, 140 points added to the Red Alliance score. Ropes are coming on down with 30 seconds remaining in the match. Ponage working hard, trying to get up to 40 kilopascals. We're at 20 seconds left. 4 rotors for both sides of the field, and Quadrangles in blue is already up and off the ground. So are Frog Force. Ponage is up for the Red Alliance. All 3 Blue Alliance robots up in the air, and now all 3 red. We've got 8 seconds left, counting it on down. It looks like this will be our final score here in quarterfinal match number 1.
Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go.
Big scores all around in that match. Let's take a look at our winner. It was your Red Alliance. Red scored 479 points, blue 451.
Check, 1. All right. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, 1, 2. There we go. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Our second quarterfinal pits our number 4 Red Alliance against our number 5 Blue Alliance. For our number 4 Red Alliance, the Alliance captains, winners of the Indiana State Championship Chairman's Award. Indiana first, baby, 135.
From Mishawaka, Indiana, Penn Robotics.
Their alliance partners, the rookie team, 6329.
From Bucksport, Maine, the Bucks Wrath.
And team 4003.
From Allendale, Michigan, Trisonics. Your fourth member of your number 4 alliance will be team 4961, Shock and Awesome from Almont, Michigan.
Over here, your number 5 Blue Alliance, team 195.
From Southington, Connecticut, Cyber Knights.
Their alliance partners, team 1080.
From Henrico, Virginia, Resurgence Robotics.
And team 177.
They're from South Windsor, Connecticut, Bobcat Robotics. Your fourth member of your number 5 alliance is from Hollis, New Hampshire, the Force Team.
Pilots ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Autonomous begins here in quarterfinal match number 2 on Carson. Fuel comes up from the Blue Alliance. That appears to be from team 195, putting up tons of fuel points, each one worth 1 point in that high goal. We're at 2 seconds remaining in Autonomous. Red Alliance got 1 rotor. Blue Alliance did not get that rotor going during Auton, so the Red Alliance is up to 115 points now with their second rotor turning. Blue Alliance did pick up tons of fuel, though, so they're at 87 points as our drivers now in control, scoring as many points as they can. Lots of robots on the blue side of the field. Red robots collecting gears, blue robots dropping them off. Bobcat Robotics deploys one for the Blue Alliance. So does their alliance partner, Resurgence. More fuel comes up out of 195 on the Blue Alliance. Every 3 now going in, worth 1 point, inching them closer to 40 kilopascals of pressure. Blue Alliance up to 35 kilopascals of pressure, 2 rotors. Red Alliance just ahead of them with 3 rotors already. Once the Blue Alliance gets 5 more kilopascals of pressure built up, that will be a 20-point bonus in addition to the 40 they will have from their pressure. Minute 15 remains. Blue Alliance have revved up their 3rd rotor. That means they're in the lead, 170 to 155, with just over 1 minute remaining in the match. Bobcat Robotics was having a little bit of trouble, but now they are back to life. It looks like they'll be heading downfield to collect some more gears for their alliance. Trisonics in red, they have some fuel, but they're looking for some gears from their human players. Cyber Knights up and in to the Blue Alliance high efficiency goal. That means that we have 37 kilopascals of pressure. They're working on those final 3 that they need, and it looks like the Blue Alliance will have 40 kilopascals of pressure and a 20-point bonus added to their score. Red Alliance now here is in a race to get as many points as they can in their final 30 seconds. If the Red Alliance can get 4 rotors turning, that will pull them ahead with 100 points. Blue Alliance looks like they might need 1 or 2 more to get their 4th rotor going. Bobcat drops off one of them. Ropes are on the airships deployed down toward the robots. Bobcat is the first off the ground, followed by members of the Red Alliance. All 3 red robots are off the ground now. Blue Alliance with 4 rotors, Red Alliance with 4 rotors. 7 seconds remaining. Robots up off the ground. These 50 points climbs do matter. We're at 2, 1. In that match, it looked like the pressure and rotor bonus sealed the deal for the Blue Alliance. Blue scored 493 points, the highest score we've seen on Carson. Red with 445.
Check, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, check, check. Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, check. All right.
You need to turn your mic up. I can't hear you on the third level. It's a little low. Up top? Up here. Up. Good to see you. Yeah, how you been? How you been all weekend? Union Station. Really? Yeah. Just pulling his chain.
Our quarter. Our number 2, Red Alliance against number 7, Blue. Over here on the number Red Alliance.
Team 5024 is from London, Ontario, Raider Robotics.
Your Alliance captains looking to go back to Einstein after winning it here on Carson last year. Team 2052.
From New Brighton, Minnesota, Nightcrawler.
And your Alliance captains, winners of the Michigan District Championship, baby, 33.
Out of Auburn Hills, Michigan, Killer Bees. Your 4th member of this alliance is from Clifton Park, New York, Team 20, the Rocketeers.
For your Blue Alliance, your number 7 Blue Alliance, we begin with Team 5401.
From Bensalem, Pennsylvania, Fightin' Robotic Owls.
Your Alliance partners, Team 2832.
They're from Livonia, Michigan, the Livonia Warriors.
And Team 5114.
From Fenton, Michigan, Titanium Tigers. Your number 4th member of this alliance is from Flint, Michigan, Team 5150, Hybrid Hornets.
Quarterfinal 3, match 1. Pilots ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Autonomous begins in this match. Fighting Robotic Owls right away, putting up lots of points in that high efficiency goal. Killer Bees trying to do the same. Blue Alliance beats Red to the rotor. Red Alliance right behind them. Killer Bees fuel after fuel up in the high efficiency goal. That means at the end of Autonomous, Red Alliance has the lead at 99 to 83 as drivers step forward and take control. 2 rotors are already turning for your Red Alliance here. That's our number 2 alliance playing against our blue at number 7 seeded alliance. Killer Bees and their partners, Raider Robotics, both working in the retrieval zone, looking for some gears. Killer Bees, luckily, pick up off the ground, move their way on back. They collide with Titanium Tigers as they make their way downfield. Titanium back for more gears. Livonia Warriors, they've dropped off a gear for the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance has 2 rotors, red with 2 rotors. We have a Blue Alliance advantage, 148 points for the Blue Alliance, 139 for the red as we head to our final minute and a half here in this match. Red Alliance is leading in terms of fuel points. Blue Alliance has scored 8, red with 24. Red now turns their 3rd rotor, blue right behind them. That's 40 points added to both scores on the field. Robotic Owls from Bensalem, they drop off a gear. Their partners Titanium right behind them. Titanium drops off a gear. That gear comes on up. Blue working on their 4th rotor now. Still more than a minute remains. They need 4 more gears for that final rotor and 140 points to add to their score. A big collision between red and blue downfield underneath the Red Alliance airship. Killer Bees have lots of fuel in their hopper. It looks like they're lining up to seal those 40 kilopascals and the 20 bonus points. Some collisions between the Blue Alliance and red. That's Livonia Warriors playing defense against Killer Bees as they're firing. Livonia doing an excellent job sticking right to Killer Bees as Killer Bees looking for the shot. Fuel comes down onto the ground for the Red Alliance Nightcrawler, picking it up with 30 seconds remain. Ropes are deployed onto the field. Blue Alliance working on their 4th rotor. It looks like they need 1 or 2 more gears to make it happen. They really want those 140 points. Red Alliance has the lead big here, but that is thanks to 4 rotors turning. Titanium Tigers, they deploy their gear on up. Gear is up, passed on over, and it looks like the Blue Alliance turns up their 4th rotor. 140 on the board for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance leading it now, 425 points. All 3 red robots exactly where they want to be as we end this match. We have 2 red robots, 2 blue robots. It is going to be awfully close here in quarterfinal 3 on Carson. Ladies and gentlemen, your final score coming up on the board. It looks like by a nose, the Blue Alliance. 428 points for the Blue Alliance, 425 for red.